In this video, we're going to show you how to make this dimensional turtle quilt block. Turns out so cute. The video will really help you succeed. It also comes with this really cute gecko. Come to our website for more patterns just like this, www.thimble-art.com. The gecko and the turtle are made similar to the other patterns in the book. There's a few differences, so we'll show you that here. First, you start with copying your paper pattern, the dimensional pieces, as many blocks as you want to make. That's how many copies you make. Place the paper pattern on top of 2 pieces of fabric, right side together, thin polyester bonded batting, and then sew on the outside sew line, cut on outside dash line. Remove the paper. Now, all of these pieces, including the turtle, are sewn all the way around. So in order to turn them right side out, you're going to split one layer of fabric, and through that you're going to turn it right side out. And this is a great place to use the straw and down method that we've shown on a different video. So be sure to check that out. Now for putting this little guy on a block, I've cut the block. This is 8.5 inches. You could do 7.5 inches for a finished 7-inch block. You can also shrink or enlarge this little guy when you go to make the copies. So you can make this any size you want. I first placed the little arms and fingers down in a position that I liked, and then I machine sewed down the middle with the open edge next to the quilt block. Then I'm going to put the body and the head down, and I'm going to just blind stitch the body down. I put little eyes, little seed beads for the eyes, and we show in another video how you blind stitch so it's not right on the edge. It's down under a little bit to keep that dimension nice and fluffy. And this little guy turns out really cute. And we'll show you the turtle. Now to finish the turtle, it was made the same way as the gecko, sewn all the way on the body, and then a slit through one layer, turned it right side out. I used the straw and the dowel method on this too. I put a little bit of stuffing in his appendages and his head. Then I'm going to put the open end next to the block that I've cut out, and then the shell was made the same way. There's a slit on the back. I added a little more stuffing just to the very middle. Then I'm going to put that shell on the turtle where the straight edge is next to the head, and then I'm going to sew 1/4 inch top stitching around that shell. I leave this top part open, and this just turns out so cute. So it again has a little pocket you can put things in, and seed beads for the eyes, and he's just adorable.